It's not anyone's favorite chore, but a clean refrigerator is less stress for everyone in the long run. You should deep clean your fridge once a year. Follow these steps. Start by first completely emptying out all your fridge's shelves, bins, and compartments. Next, remove the door bins by lifting them up and away from the fridge door with both hands. Then remove the shelves by lifting them slightly up from the front and sliding them out. Wipe down the whole fridge with a clean towel or damp cloth with mild detergent for stuck-on spots. Be sure to get all the nooks and edges, including the rubber seals. Lastly, wipe down and dry the bins and shelves. Once they're dry, put them back in the refrigerator. Sparkling clean! Don't forget the food! Here are a few more tips to help you keep your fridge as clean as it can be. If you have more questions, refer to your user manual or contact us at 1-800-SAMSUNG.